What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming aboard this A train. Alright, so without further ado, I'm gonna let you guys know this video is going to be about the women of the Black Panther Party, which started in October of 1966 in Oakland, California. Later on, the year 1967 is when women really started to come in, and next thing you know, it started being popping. You know what I'm trying to say? With that being said, let's move on. Women held positions at both a national and a local level. They participated in rallies, giving speeches, and also the programs such as the free breakfast for school students in the morning, giving out free food to families, health clinics, clothing, all that type of stuff. They even did transportation for older folks, and also transportation, giving people rides to visit their family members who are in jail. They did all those type of things. The three most prominent women at the top of the organization were Kathleen Neal Cleaver, Elaine Brown, and Erica Huggins. Miss Cleaver was the first woman to hold a national level position. Miss Elaine held many positions in the Black Panther Party before she became the first and only female chairperson from 1974 all the way until 1977. Miss Erica directed the Black Panther Party Initiation Committee all the way from 1973 to 1981. I do keep looking off because that is where my notes are, and I want to make sure I'm getting everything correct. The doctrine of the Black Panther Party, it was structured to not allow any type of sexism within the organization. However, some still did happen, a lot, actually pretty much often, and it was pretty much said that women of the Black Panther Party were both having an external force hitting them and an internal force hitting them, which is why a lot of people say the black women are the most hated group, because why? Nobody knows why, but we get the most flack for no reason. With that being said, on July 5th, 1969, Eldridge Cleaver put out a statement in the Black Panther newspaper stating, "Women are our other half. They're not our stronger half, they're not our weaker half, but they are our other half, and that we sell ourselves out, we sell our children out, we sell our women out when we treat them in any other manner. Point blank, period." However, people still wasn't trying to listen. There were still problems in the community. They didn't really take his address serious. They still, being misogynistic men. That's just what they be. In 1969, the women was like, we're not having it no more, so they started voicing their opinions both publicly and in the Black Panther Party meetings, letting them know, hey, this ain't cool, this ain't right, we're not dealing with this, y'all need to get yourselves together, because we are out here busting our tails off to offer all of these programs for people and to help them succeed of this organization. We both want the same exact things, so why can you guys not respect us as if we want the same thing? It was also difficult to be a full-time mother and a political activist, because you want to spend time with your children and you don't want to take away from them, but you also know that you're fighting for a greater cause, and it's like you have to make a decision between your people and your family, which often collide with each other, because my people are my family, if you get what I'm saying, but your children are still your children. So with that being said, Black Panther Party, it was predominantly female. Media would have had you believe that men ran that whole entire thing, and like I always say, I give you guys the very surface level of the information, so I'm gonna make you curious to go and look it up somewhere yourself. Even towards the end of the Black Panther Party, women are the people who held it together. Many of them felt divided. Some of them completely had to leave the Black Panther Party because they felt like their children, they were worried about how the future of their children would be handled. So with that being said, some of them stayed, some of them left, but still towards the end, it was mostly women still following out with the free breakfast, the free clothing, the health clinics. Very women ran, but the men wanted to take and be like, hey, this is my face, I'm doing this. And I'm not saying that the men who were in the party did not do anything. I'm just saying the women need recognition too, because when you think of the Black Panther Party, member, you know, a woman doesn't come to mind. I know it didn't come to my mind. So with that being said, take time out, go look, and, you know, see who are the women of the Black Panther Party. So with that being said, I just want to say that the female Black Panther Party members were a very important part of the legacy that the Black Panther Party left behind, and they do need to be given recognition. They are important, and with a lot of things, even in today's society, Black women are constantly left behind, and people act like, you know, we didn't put things together, we didn't just create this whole entire thing, or we didn't just make sure that it ran smoothly, and recognition is given to other people. So with that being said, you know, if you know a Black woman, take time out to thank her, because she probably did something that she didn't get recognition for. And it's often because we do things just because we want to help our community, and we're not necessarily looking for recognition, but at the end of the day, give us some recognition, period. Peace. Oh, thank you for coming to my Education Tuesday video. Peace.